Thank you for joining me once again today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training that has been done in Germany. The first video under media has been done. So there are career paths that has been explained under, and this video is a continuation video. If you haven't watched the previous video, I will encourage you to do so because the videos are informative and educative. If you have friends that don't understand the language yet, kindly share this video with them. In this video, I'll be discussing the second career path under the first area of specialization under media, and that is a Fachangestellter für Medien- und Informationsdienste. That is specialist for media and information services. This career itself has 5 areas of specialization. Specialist, if you want to become a specialist for media and information services, then you can divert into 5 different areas. The first area of specialization is the FACHRICHTUNG ARCHIV. That is ARCHIV specialty. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung. It's a recognized training. What do? They in the Media, Information and Services Department, they are set to view, organize, and catalog documents as well as other information specialists for archives using special archive software on the computer, providing all necessary support. They also do audiovisual, media, or electronic data, data saving. They enter details into databases, work on the procurement of contemporary historical documentation materials, and provide evidence of daily press, specialist publications, brochures, online information. They are really into active lending and advice to archive users as well. Where do they find employment? They find employment in public administration, in museums. They find employment at the universities as well. So if you are interested in this is in anything that has to do with documentation, archiving information, providing information for people, maybe hold historical information as well, then this is a career you want to look into. Do you need the certificate? Yes, you need your Realschulabschluss and your Hochschulreife. That is your secondary school leaving diploma and your university qualification. Any other certificates lower than this, you can't be accepted into this training. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The second area of specialization is a Fachrichtung Bibliothek. That's a library specialization. The duration as well is 3 years, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. What do? They are into library departments. They are into services in the library departments. They create books, magazines, and other media. They record them and maintain the existing ones. They also take on the work associated with lending and provide computers, systematize library user cards, advise library users, and procure media and information and they also process reminders for administrative tasks for those that lend out books and don't return them. They participate in preparation and implementation of exhibitions and events. Where do they find employment? They find employment in the library and in public administration, in cities, in government libraries, at schools, libraries, museums, in factories and company libraries, or other larger companies they find that have libraries as well. And also in church libraries, in publishing houses as well, they find employment there. Do you need a certificate? You need your Hauptschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife. These 3 certificates, that is what you can have to get into this. Anything lower than this, you can't be accepted into this vocational training. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.